Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change chart type in MetaTrader 5. To change your chart type in MetaTrader 5, first of all, launch open MetaTrader 5 application and log in. After you're inside the home page of MetaTrader 5, go to the bottom of the screen and select chart. From the chart page, tap on anywhere on the chart and then you will see this pop-up menu. Click on settings. And from the settings menu, you will be able to see the charts type you can choose from at the top. Select between the chart type that you want to choose or change to, and after making a selection, get back to the chart page and see the difference for yourself. So that's how you can easily change your chart type in MetaTrader 5. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.